absolutely fantastic to see them. They are such a brilliant team, and when you see them as you're coming up, you think, yeah, I can make it again. No, it's wonderful, and they are working so hard. It's challenging. I like to put a challenge in the day.
They're walking like the odd mile here and there.
Yeah.
But we're running the odd mile looking for keys that she loses. Everybody gets fed.
They do.
They do. No, they're a brilliant team.
Yeah.
It's
been a blast,
yeah.
Isn't it?
Yeah.
Wel, pan wnaethon ofyn I fi gymryd rhan, ond na ddim achos o feddwl am y peth deg wir, oedd jyst yn fraint bod nhw'n gofyn a manteisio ar y cyfle.
Dyma ni syniad, beth am ddewis y diwrnod poetha yn y flwyddyn, yr all mwyaf serth yn Nghymru, dyn tew, efo blisters lle ddylsen na ddim bod blisters. A cerdded i fyny fo.
Fantastic, gwych, gret.
Oedd yn profiad arbennig fel yna. Ie, oedd yn golygfa'n ffantastig, ond mae'n just teimlo ar y gyrraedd y top, just yn fendigedig.
Fel tîm uwch tu ôl iddyn nhw, maen nhw'n gwerthfawrogi, maen nhw falch o weld ni bob rhyw filltir a hanner. Mae'n rhoi rhyw ganolbwynt yn nhw gyrraedd o hyd.
Yeah, it's been very good. Obviously, I had quite a climb early this afternoon, but took it steady and slowly does it, and still alive, so that's all good.